In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Fixing C-Stage 1 issue on Windows 11. This can be a pesky problem, but don't worry. I've got you covered with clear and straightforward instructions. Before we dive into the fix, make sure you're following each step carefully to ensure a smooth process. To begin, we need to open the command prompt with elevated privileges, otherwise known as opening it as an administrator. This is important because it allows the system to execute the necessary commands with full access. You'll start by pressing the Windows key and the S key simultaneously on your keyboard. This will bring up the Windows search bar. In the search field, go ahead and type cmdd. Once you see command prompt in the list, you're going to want to right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If you're prompted by the user account control, simply click Yes, and there you are. Command prompt is up and running with the authority it needs. Now that you have command prompt as an administrator, it's time to check the health of your C drive. This is crucial because it can catch and resolve disk-related issues that might be causing the error. Type the command chkdskc F and hit enter on your keyboard. This command checks the file system and fixes logical file system errors. If the system asks if you want to schedule this scan during the next restart, don't be alarmed. Simply type Y and hit enter again. After doing this, reboot your PC to allow the system to conduct a thorough drive check during startup. Once your system has rebooted and you're back to the desktop, it's time to repair any potentially corrupted system files, which could be contributing to this pesky error. You'll need to reopen the command prompt with administrator privileges, just like you did earlier. Now type in the command sfc/scano and press enter. This command initiates a system file check which scans the integrity of all protected operating system files and replaces incorrect versions with correct Microsoft versions. This scan could take some time, so be patient while it runs. Make sure you let it reach 100% before taking any other actions. And there we have it. With these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the Fixing C-Stage 1 error on your Windows 11 device. By conducting a disk check and repairing system files, syspons, you've taken significant measures to ensure your system's performance and integrity. Remember, keeping your system in check with occasional maintenance like this is key to a smooth running PC. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.